to Tuesday training. Today we're going to talk about inline credit card processing in StoneSpot. This is a feature that's free to use. You do need to open an account with the partner that we've collaborated with. Their name is Sola Payments. They're a Fidelity company. But once you open an account with them, all the interface and integration with StoneSpot, with Sola, and with QuickBooks, if you're using that integration, is included in your account. So let me show you how it works. When you're on an order and you have the draft invoice section filled out and you'd like to request a deposit, you can do that by clicking Email Deposit Request. You can say how much you're requesting and send that off to the client. This allows your client to receive an email with a link. They click on it, can see the invoice, and make the payment. If you're using texting, you can actually request a payment on a draft invoice from text. Or if someone calls over the phone or is in person with you, you can click this button and you're able to put in the amount they're going to pay and process the payment right here if they call over the phone. If they're in person and you have a terminal, you can do that right here. So lots of ways to make getting this deposit easy for you and easy for your client. If you've already created a finalized invoice and you're trying to receive a payment, you'll see your invoice here. This has all the same functionality. You can email the invoice with a Pay Now link. You can text it here. You can always, of course, print your invoice, receive a credit card payment here, or record a check payment here. Whenever these payments are made, everything goes immediately up into QuickBooks for you if you're using that connection. And another cool thing is if you're in your portal, this is once you get your account with Sola and you're in your Sola portal, you can see that the StoneSpot order number is pulling into every transaction that you make. So if you're looking at a batch of money that came in, you can see the total that came in. You're able to open this up and see what's in this batch. And when you can see these payments that are in the batch, you can always see the StoneSpot order number there as well. So that the three systems, if you're using QuickBooks, really work together beautifully, or the two systems if you're using Sola and the inline StoneSpot interface here. The numbers are all the same wherever you go to look for them. So these are some of the easy ways to use the inline credit card processing. The last and kind of newer and exciting way is to request a payment when you request approval on the contract. So here's the contract section. If you use the email button to send that contract out, then you're going to have two options when it pops up. You're going to be able to say that you want to request the contract approval, and if you have the Sola integration, you can also request a deposit at the same time. This is especially awesome because it makes it possible for you to handle everything with just one email to your client. They have one button that they're able to push, and when they push that button, it will ask for their approval on the contract and then also give them a way to pay. So everything in one easy button, and that's really the beauty of the inline credit card processing. It keeps everything on the order, communicates with QuickBooks and with the credit card processor so that it's all easy for you. And I hope you guys enjoy.